Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be learning how to download and install Marvel Snap application on your mobile device. So let's get started. To download the Marvel Snap application on your mobile device, first of all, open up your Google Play Store or your App Store on your device. Also make sure that the device is connected to a stable internet. In the search box, type in Marvel Snap and search. Look for the Marvel Snap application from Second Dinner Studios Inc. and then tap the Get button to start downloading the app on your device. If prompted, you'll need to authenticate with your Face ID or your Touch ID, and then, after you wait for a couple of minutes, the application will be installed. Tap the Open button to launch Open Marvel Snap app on your device, and that is it. That's how you easily get popular Marvel Snap application right on your mobile device in just a couple of steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.